Hello my viewers and subscribers. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to me if you enjoyed this video. This video will go on to talk about how to configure the JavaScript Yield Farming Bot version 4. This is the version 4, this is the newest one, freely available on GitHub, and this has the built-in stop loss. Unlike other yield farm bots that don't have stop loss, this one makes the majority of its profit from the actual stop loss due to this volatile market we're in. The minute volatility is detected, it sells into a stable coin, and when it detects when the volatility has subsided, it buys back in, and that's where a lot of the profits from. I ran it for 28 days straight, and this was my starting Ethereum, and this is what I ended with. So yes, it seems like the more volatile the market is, the more it makes. And when the market's not volatile, it does make money from yield farming too, so you get best of both worlds there. Configuring it is very simple, straightforward, very easy to run. Should run in anything that has a web browser. So you're gonna, once you unzip the folder, try to unzip it somewhere it's easy accessible. I unzipped it on my desktop. You're gonna have these files here. The config file is what we use to configure. So open that up in a text editor. If you do choose the kind of, you can choose to change the stable coin that it buys into. By default, it's USDC. Maybe I said that wrong. USDC. Okay, I said that right. And that's for Ethereum. For BNB, it's BUSD. And for Polygon, it's basically the USDC for the Polygon network. So to configure it, you can enter your public address here. Let me get that. So enter your public address. Leave the quotations in. And the private key to that address. Now if you have a address or a wallet that does not give you easy access to your private keys, you can put your address you want to use here and your wallet seed down here, and it will work just the same. For the network, I have it set for 1, which is Ethereum. You can choose to use BNB or Polygon. And my max spend is 0.5. Now that's what I ran the 28-day test on, and it works amazing at that. I'm going to go to save. Okay. And then I'm going to go to index.html. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go with open with. And you can choose any kind of web browser. I did my testing on Firefox, so that's what I'm going to do my testing on now. It seems to run very smooth on Firefox. Okay. Now since the bot's loaded into your web browser, over here you're going to have a little button that says Run Bot. We're going to click on that, and it's going to start up. Might take a few seconds. There we go. Now this should be to the settings that you have set in the config.js file. I'm running on the Ethereum chain. My wallet balance contains 27.52 and some change of Ethereum. And my max spend for this program is 0.5. And the status is important over here. I have no errors. And right now it's looking for a yield farm with a value up to 0.5 Ethereum. Everything's correct. Now if you do run into some sort of error and the status says error or warning, it'll be down here. It tells you how to correct that problem. And that's how simple this bot is to configure. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please, when it makes you money, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my videos. And also, if you happen to be at the Codeathon, please make sure you vote for me. I would love to get first place this time. Thank you.